this project. So once you have the cord wrap design open on your screen, you're going to use the lettering tool in Embrilliance, which is this A button. It says Create Letters. So let's click that, and it'll bring up our lettering tool. And the last font I used was this one from Applique Corner called Smith. And it's a really fun font. So let's just use that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type my name down here in the Properties box where it says ABC. First of all, I'm going to spell my name correctly. And then I'm going to click Set, and that will make the lettering change to my name. Now, I use the 1-inch size, and you have enough space in this file to use a 1-inch or 1/2 inch font, just depending on the look that you're going to. This font is just really fun and elegant, and it's very stylish, and I like to use it a lot. What I'm doing here is I'm just moving some of the letters so they're a little bit closer